Hello everybody, this is Matt from Steadfast Lawn Care coming to you with a quick unboxing video of this DeWalt's Jobsite fan. This runs on their 20-volt battery system, and this fan is supposed to move up to 650 CFMs. So let's get this open and see what is in the box. The model number on this unit is the DCE512B, and I'll have the link in the description. See if I can do this with one hand here as I hold the camera. So inside the box, we have the fan, and then the instruction owner's manual. This one that I got, this one is a tool only, so I did bring another battery I have, so I can throw it in there and get this started. So let's open this up, insert the battery, and turn it on. So the battery just slides underneath here. Controls on this are pretty nice because you can choose your own speed. It's not a 1, 2, or 3 like most fans. You can dial it into the exact setting that you want. Does have a tilt feature, and then there are hooks that slide out on the back on both sides here, so if you want to hang it from something on the job site, you can do that. So thank you once again for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.